Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, back here with another banger. And today, I'm going to be playing some Roblox. Ignore the recording sign if it shows for you guys and the red lines. It's just for my recording software at the moment. I wonder if you guys could see that. Let's do this. Now I'm going to try and edit this if I can, guys. Never edited one of my videos, actually. I'm sorry if this quality is loud. This is my first time I've used this recording software. I'll close that. But anyways, today we are going to be playing, how about we play a wall hop practice game. I gotta get better at my wall hops, because I'm not too good. I'm good, but not that good. Sorry if my brother comes in. Yes, I have a brother if you guys didn't know. Anyways, let's get into this. Sorry if this intro is long. You guys can't even see it. I don't know. Let me try and move this so I could fully see my recording. Okay, it's that box. Okay. Let's line this up so you guys can see it. I'm sorry guys, I'm just trying to make it perfect. There. Do I have any volume on? No, I don't. Okay. As you guys can see, I'm not that good at wall hopping. I actually went high. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to go that, then on the door. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you are. And on my Roblox video, you guys know that the comments were turned off for some reason. I don't know if they will be in this video, and I'm really sorry for not posting in a long time. I just had a lot of stuff to do due to the virus. Don't want to say that because I'll get demonetized. I don't even know if I can because I don't make money off of videos. But if you could, please subscribe and leave a like. That would be highly appreciated. Anyway, I don't know if this quality is bad yet. I just did one test video. If one of you guys saw that that's watching this video, that would actually be pretty hilarious. Because it was only out for like 2 minutes. It was just a test. And it's not out anymore. It's a glitch if it is. So just ignore it. It's called Recording 2, I'm pretty sure. Even though I have way more than that. Oh, that was clean. Yes, if I figure out how to live stream, I will live stream. So right now, guys, I will be playing another game. Yay! We all love that, don't we? How about we play... I will be recording a lot more though. At least I'll try to, if I'm not lazy. Let's play. Oh, okay, I can click outside of there. Oh, I just noticed it's laggy. That's cool. If I get too close to the border, apparently. Comment down below if there's comments on, and let me know if you want a Minecraft video, because I'll be totally up to do that. If you guys want it. Yeah, just guys, comment down below what type of content you like and what type of content I should do. And stuff like that. If you guys want a friend request, if there is people who want a friend request and the comments are on, comment your Roblox username down below, send me a friend request, and I will pick one person from the comments that sent me a friend request every video. If it's multiple, then well, only one of you will be lucky. Anyways, I'm only gonna put my videos like 12 minutes or above because my recording software can only do 15-minute videos. And why would I be pushing it over 10 for money? I can't even make money. If I do, it's probably 1 cent. Because my most viewed video has like 300 to 400 views, and it's remaking my button simulator or whatever. It's a pretty good video, I think. A lot of people actually are against that. There's 6 frames here? Ooh, that's sick. Is it me or am I a bit laggy? I don't want to play this just in case I lag out the recording. My best friend is playing Ducky Simulator. How about we play... I don't know what to play. My restaurant? Nah. Let's play Pet Ranch Simulator 2 for the rest of the video, which is like 5 minutes or so. I'm sorry if this isn't a video you guys would want. I'm just trying to like find games that you guys like. And you guys can comment which one is your favorite, like in the below every video. QI, it's not bad. Wait for my stuff to load in. Oh shoot. Oh, I guess that looks a bit better than I thought it would. 35. Okay. Rebirth. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. We passed 1 million rebirth tokens, yay. Oops. I have 50, more than 50 equipped, right? Yeah. I'm getting 6Q instead of 3Q. Wait, how much likes does my ranch even have? I'm actually curious. Play 1 minute. No star tokens selected today. What the freak? Oh, that's not really that hard. But what's my best pet? 1.8 billion. Okay. Comment down below if you think I should upgrade my ranch. Get you, I choose you. Wait. Oh. Yes. Okay, we got 7 QI. And we got a 4 QI. There. Put that. And then we'll equip my best gun. Instead of 6Q, now we get 7.47Q. We got a spin of a day. No, why not? Let's put a code in. This, if you guys are starters, this should help you. Albatross 165,000 or 165K. Oh, all boost for whatever minutes. Half an hour. I got double stuff. If you guys don't know, I got a dog. Anyways, I will do a vlog if my mom will let me or whatever. I mean, I never really asked to have a YouTube channel, but whatever. It's whatever. I mean, I don't get the deal anyway. So it's been 12 minutes of a recording. I'm gonna end it here. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a video. Well, that's it, I guess. See you next time. Goodbye.